I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to fight for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts of troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side.
She just let me know, but they show no vision. Didn't say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. Didn't say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm here with another video. If you're new here, my name is Nicola. So guys, I'm in Jamaica. Yes, and I'm going outside to run errands. This is my little dress from Shein. Cute little dress. So I'm go outside to run errands. I'm gonna do my nails, my eyebrow, and get my hair done. You don't know we in the store we have to taste the people them something. This is some strawberry Baileys. It was good. Carrot water. Tani, pick up one pack of this. Pick up one pack of that. After I leave Price Mart, I went to get my nails done. I did not see my original nail text. I had was to use someone else. Just coming back from doing my nails, so now I got a pool. Then I have to come back and season up some meat and stuff for tomorrow, because tomorrow is Sunday. We're gonna have a lot of food tomorrow. So this is the cake we went to Price Mart to pick up today. And we pick up a lot of other stuff. So tomorrow is Sunday and I'm gonna cook. We're gonna do a lot of stuff tomorrow. A lot of stuff we're gonna do tomorrow.
this one. Yeah, so this one as well, I'm gonna put in the fridge until tomorrow. So I don't know, tomorrow these well seasoned. So, you know, so we have to start the Sunday dinner early. So now it's just 7:45 a.m. in the morning, Sunday morning. And this is the curry goat. So I started early. I'm gonna make it stay here and slow cook. So let's cover. So this is some of the sauce that came off the chicken. So I had barbecue sauce, ketchup, and a little bit of browning. So I'm going to use a spoon to apply the sauce because I don't have any brush at the moment. We're going to turn them, right? Do it on the other side also. So you flip them. Flip. Just have to put them back in the oven for a few minutes. I love my chicken them well done, but like not everybody love it well done. So I'm gonna have some of them well done and some so all these wings we just gonna put them back for a few seconds. So here I have some Irish potato and carrot. The carrot is optional, but Irish potato is a must. Use this big one. I'm not cutting these small. I need them to cut this size. So this is the carrot and the Irish potato. So this is the chicken. So here I have a little sauce. I'm gonna just drizzle it all over. So guys, I finally finished prepared dinner. So I'm going out later. I'm going to this bar called The Lot. They have a Olits party like every Sunday. That's what I heard. And I want to go there and check it out. This weekend coming is my birthday, but my niece buy these decoration and decorate the apartment, and then she get this really nice cake. So you know, we just gonna eat and drink and thing, even though it's not my birthday yet, because I never really like celebrate on my birthday. I really like to do it before. So that's what we're doing today. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Oh my God. Yes guys, I'm heading out in a few minutes. I'm going to this bar called The Lot. So I hope I enjoy, because I'm not a big drinker, but you know, I'm still gonna get something. So stay tuned.
I did went to the lot, but then I leave and head straight to Tracks and Record. I stayed here for a few minutes and have a few drink, and then I head home. Anyway guys, I come to the end of this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thank you for always coming to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.